Manipur reported 3 new COVID-19 cases today, taking the total infected number to 37 in the state. The state has 35 active COVID-19 cases as of today, as 2 individuals were discharged so far. An official update issued today informed that 1 new case each were found in Imphal West, Imphal East, and Tengnopal districts. Meanwhile, Directorate of Health Services and National Health Mission, Manipur, has issued advisory for COVID-19, informing that all districts' hospitals have been conducted preparedness drill and have taken necessary steps for inpatient management of COVID cases if need arises. It also informed that the current circulating lineages of Omicron variants are JN1, XFG, and LF7.9. These variants tend to cause mild illness with fever, cough, sore throat, which usually subsides on its own. The advisory also urged public to stay alert and avoid unverified information and to maintain COVID-appropriate behavior like washing hands, wearing masks, and to isolate patients with symptoms. It also urged public not to take antibiotics or other medicines without consulting doctors.